Hi, my name's Tony and I'm here to guide you through which type of Pro-Sleeve is right for you. Pro-Sleeves prevent ground line rot in wooden fence posts.
We have three types of Pro-Sleeve. We have our standard welded sleeve, our Pro-Sleeve wrap, and our Pro-Sleeve Wrap Tack. All these Pro-Sleeves feature the same dual layer rot prevention technology behind them, so you'll be safe in the knowledge that no matter which Pro-Sleeve you choose, you're going to get a long lasting fence post. Our standard welded sleeve comes in a range of sizes to fit standard size fence posts, up to a maximum of 5-inch square or 6-inch rounds. They are a quick, hassle-free way of protecting your fence posts from ground rot. For larger posts and gate posts, we offer our Pro-Sleeve wrap. This makes light work of having to lift heavy posts, as you simply wrap around the post, peel and stick into place. Pro-Sleeve Wrap Tack fits all post sizes, supplied in a 5-meter roll. You simply staple into place, wrap around your post, staple it again and cut off the excess. This can also be used to protect your sleepers. Once you have located any of our Pro-Sleeves, you just need to shrink them into place using a hot air gun or a gas blowtorch. Please visit our website for details on how to apply them.
Do it once, do it right with Postsaver Pro-Sleeves. Purchase all our Pro-Sleeves and more at shop.postsaver.com.